you were turned, weren't you?
I was a little bit too turned. Your fans love to give shots.
우리한테도 왜 안 줘? We wanted 3.
Can you imagine a drunken card concert?
We're here for some 127. NCT 127 fact checked. Hi YouTube, by the way. We're on Twitch right now. But I told my chat earlier that I get so self-conscious when I say fact check because sometimes it sounds like I say fat check. But you know what? In this instance, as somebody said it in the chat earlier, I hope they are getting a fat check for fact check because you know how companies do not pay sometimes. You know, NCT 127 always be slaying. They always be just like messing up everybody's faves because they are really that dude. They really are that group. And if you haven't checked out NCT in general, I don't know where you've been, but you know, there's the door. Open it up and unlock it. All right, so without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bop. Why is everything so... Oh. Oh. All this chrome or like... Damn, Mark's outfit's kind of crazy. Let's go, Johnny. I saw Johnny. Nothing sus here. And there's a lot of things sus. What are you doing with that? Is that a lamb? What is that? Is that a lamb? Ooh. Hey, yo. Oh, he climbing like Spider-Man? Or like... True. That is true. She has never cried, but she is smiling. But is she really like... Is she might be crying inside. Anyway. Oh. Okay. Damn, this man just ruins my life sometimes. It just like wrecks me so hard. I swear to God. And I know you know that. I know you know that, Taeyong. God damn. Oh shit. Hey. Like Banks. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, hair. Wait, was his hair like that before? I'm so sorry. Listen, I know I'm pausing and I'm talking too much, but you know what? There's other reactions that don't do that, so you can check them out. First of all, their hairs are just like beautiful. First of all. Oh, I couldn't tell because it was slicked back. Alright, let me just play it. Let me just play it. My bad. Hey. Woo. Okay, vocal. Ooh. Nice little change. I've been here. I filmed here before, I think. Ooh, okay. Bro, that horns is it horns in the background? You already know. Is it horns, chat? Sound like horns. It's the type of beat that just make you do that stank face. I don't know if you know what the stank face. No, I'm not hating a song if I go, No, that shit because the beat hits. Choreographed choreographed this? Oh, what is that hat? Oh. Go ask the world and check. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. You slithering like a... You just body roll like a little snake. Get that. Utah needs to stop, but you know, keep on going. I love it. Hold up. Something different. Ooh. Woo. Woo. Hey. The fact, so check that. Check the fact, so check that. I don't even know if I'm saying it when they're saying it, because sometimes. Oh, that's a fire shot with like so many people in the up there. I mean, look at the crew. That was nasty with it. I like that. Bro, Yuta is really taking my attention in this whole music video. I mean, he usually does because that man is gorgeous. Let me tell you, I met that man in person. I almost fell to my knees. The little Ooh. Is this a pre-release or a title track? Title track. Okay, title track. NCT 127. How many other songs? Space, Parade, Angel Eyes, Yacht, Je ne sais quoi. Je ne sais quoi. What does that mean again? Does that mean I love you? Love is Beauty, Misty, Real Life. Ooh, I might have to do a little first listen, you know what I'm saying? Because it looks like someone is going into the earth or something. Oh, it is. Okay, green screen. Okay, green screen. First of all, unrealistic unless he's an alien, because in space, as a human being, and now we're all talking about UFOs, this shouldn't be able to be done.
That's in the vibe. Hold up.
But I believe he could do that.
Yeah,
Oh, he's falling. Hey. Hey, hey. That outfit's crazy to me. Okay, with the go. Look at that. He's serving that glow. Goat. Let me see it. Serve that shit, bro. This man right here. He climbing. He is Spider-Man, or like at least Mission Impossible. Bro, the production in this is kind of crazy. This is a fun, like, performance for sure. Like, I can see all my dancer friends already dancing to this. Ooh! Little, he got the little baggy pants too. He needs to stop. He too sexy. Can sing me to sleep. You know what I'm saying? Sorry. Have a girlfriend. And this man too. He can snatch me. Woo! Touche! Did someone say touche as well? Oh, someone did say. I thought I was ad-libbing. I mean, I was ad-libbing, but somebody else did it for me. That tiny ass little helicopter went through you? I mean, around you? This earring right here is crazy. Oh my god, that's there. Oh damn, he hypnotized me for a second. He hypnotized me, y'all. I don't know how he did that. Oh my god, that outfit. Look at him. Okay. Get it. Check that. Woo. Hey. That's there to be intense, real talk. Hey. That little tattoo in the chest. I know it's fake and everything. Sorry, I got distracted by Yuta. Who's your bias in NCT? 127, I mean. Woo! Give me that SM vocals. You know damn right when SM got vocals, they got vocals. We're not talking about vocals, we're talking about vocals. Such an interesting outfit, but them headphones look overstimulating. I don't know what the word for it. This man right here. Oh. I love that they're using like a lot of dancers in the background. I love every time like a K-pop group does that. It has more intensity. Check that. Woo. Oh, they're dancing in the freaking side of a freaking building. What the hell? Check that. I'm gonna ask the world. Let me check that. for NCT asked me to ask. Wait, did he say that? What am I supposed to ask the world? Like, world, how are you? I'm checking up on you. As NCT said, I don't know exactly what they want me to ask you. See, my only criticism about this whole thing, chat, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna be real right now. My only criticism with all of this is that SM took away their jump scare. And I kind of miss it because I like the feeling of being like, boom, boom. Like, I forgot how it went. Okay, see, this is what I wanted. I miss that. It feels empty inside without it. I'm just letting you know, SM. I don't know if any of the staff is watching right now when I upload this on YouTube, but I miss the... Like, sometimes it scares me because I get thrown off. So unless you're doing this on purpose. Anyways, I liked it. You actually prefer without it? Interesting. I like it. It gives me a little spice, you know. I need some spice, you know. I don't want bland chicken, you know what I'm saying? I want some spice, you know. It's like cayenne. Got some, like, you know, make me cough, choke me. What?
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.